guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. I invite you guys to please stick around if you do like what you see and subscribe if you're not yet. And let's get into today's video. Today we're going to be attempting a festive look, trying out some traditional colors for Christmas, which is red and green. When I think Christmas, I always think red and green. That's like your traditional, I guess you can say. So I think that's what we're gonna call this, your traditional red and green Christmas makeup look. And so if you are interested in watching, then let's go. I am going to be using my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I like this palette for the reds and greens. Well, I like all the colors, but you guys know what I mean. It's good for Christmas too. But first, I do want to make sure that my eyeshadow goes up this way. I do want to make it a little bit sharper here, so I am going to be taking some tape. So apply this, let's see, so that it's lined up to the eyebrow like that. How does that look? Pretty even, kind of? Yeah. Okay, we can do this. I'm picking up a rounded kind of a brush, kind of on the small side. I'm going to begin with this black. I got the pigment mostly on the tip here. I'm going to focus this to the crease, mostly the outer portions, and you can see I'm really getting into the crease. I don't want to blend this out too much right now, but the reason why I'm doing the dark color first is because when I'm going with the red, I think it will blend out nicely. So you can see here it's like literally a V shape, and I'm stopping right there, a little bit past the middle of my crease. Next, I'm taking a dense eye crease blending brush to pick up the red. And this red, we're going to start applying it all over the crease, and on top of that, black, blending those colors together. We can add some here onto the eyelid part too. And then I'm just taking a clean, fluffy brush to blend it at the top. Now let's do a half cut crease, and this is where we're going to be applying the gold shimmer on top of. For the gold, I am taking the iconic London Day Display palette. This one up here, Champagne Chic. Please tell me you can already feel the Christmas vibes with the red and the gold, because I am. What I'm going to be doing next, I'm taking a tapered blending brush. Sorry, it's a little bit stained, but I'm going to be playing around with the red and black to blend it in with the gold. First taking the red, and then if I need to deepen it up, I'll take some black. I'm liking it like that. I don't think it needs more black. I'm going to add this shade here, Icon. It's like a whitish type of highlight. I'm going to be popping some of that into the inner corner. I am going to be adding something here later, but just so I have some of the highlight there, and of course add some to the brow bone. That's what the eyes are looking like right now. So let's take off the tape. Whee! I do my base first, so if your foundation kind of ends up looking like this, you can always take a clean brush and kind of like blend whatever's here so that it doesn't look too much, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna be going up and kind of blend like what I had here, which is like my bronzer and blush. So you have that still sharp edge, but not looking like that with the tape. So make sure you always go in with a clean brush and do that little thing. And then you have like brand new. What I'm going to be doing is I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil. I'm going to run this along my lower lash line, and then on top of that, I'm going in with a green. I like doing the white because it just kind of helps the colors stick on a little bit better, especially when I want them to stand out a little bit more. And of course, don't forget to blend the lower lash line. Before moving on to anything extra, I'm going to finish off the eyes by brushing out eyebrows. I'm going to do my winged eyeliner and then add mascara. So to finish off the eye look, I do want to add some pizzazz because I thought, why not? It's the holidays and it's very Christmassy, so why not add a star? I have these little sparkling star gems or sparkling stones. I cannot remember where I got these from. I've had them literally since forever ago, so I can't tell you where exactly I got them, but they're just stars and I have a lot of different colors. I'm going to pick out 2 gold stars and I'm going to be taking my eyelash glue to apply these. So I'm gonna need a little dot right there and then another dot right there. Add some to the tip of this. It's so pretty. Okay, I did this one kind of crooked. If you're doing stars, make sure they're upright. That one is just slightly this way, but it's okay because it still looks pretty. Do you guys love how that looks? Because I'm obsessed. And really all you have left to do is your lips. I'm gonna give you guys 2 options because both options are gonna look absolutely amazing, I think, with it. So first option is gonna be nude. So I'm going to be taking my Makiage Carli Bybel lip liner in the shade Luna, and on top of that my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo. I love the nude. I mean, you can never go wrong with the nude. It still keeps the focus on the eyes, and this lip combination is my go-to every day. And option 2 for the lips is going to be, of course, your classic red holiday lip. And I think even though it's going to be like red up here and red over here, it's perfectly fine because it is the holidays, it's very festive. It does complement each other very well. So I'm going to be taking my Carli Bybel Makiage lip liner, but this time in the shade Ablaze. And on top of that, I'm going to be taking my matte Maybelline lipstick in the shade Rich Ruby. This is what the look looks like with the red lips. Absolutely amazing, gorgeous, I love it. Holiday-y, it's perfect. And that is all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I do like the red lips, but you guys let me know, how would you wear this? Would you do the nude lips or the red lips? I want to know. I love how everything turned out. The colors are literally perfect. The red, the green, and the gold. Your classic traditional Christmas colors. Let me know what you guys think of this look down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!